Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, hey. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Ah, no chewing on my foot. Hey. Proxy. No. If these weren't steel toes, I'd be move my foot a little bit quicker, Proxy.
Is this the only way you're going to let me brush you, Proxy? You just fall asleep? Kind of hard with you laying in here. Trap her in a corner and put a muzzle on her. Works every time.
Do I want a rabbit for supper? I don't know. Maybe I'll text a girlfriend and see what she says. And of course I put a lot of duct tape up there. They didn't do anything up there, but dropping poop bags. Look where they built this year. That same place they built around 2 years ago when I got this house. And let's see how big a mess they're making. Oh my god. Anything in it? I'm going to say that's empty. I gotta look at the footage to find out. Oh, they even pooped over this stuff. Huh. That means they were sitting up on that ledge. But it's down, and of course they say to keep them away permanently, you gotta like bleach it, clean it. I'm gonna leave the pile of scrap there, so maybe they'll take stuff and move it somewhere else. But I don't see any other nest. There's a chunk of stuff up here. That might be from the first one that I broke off the light there again this year. But yeah, they really do want to be here. And holy, look at the scratches here from the dogs. All the way up here. That's pretty tall. Well, now that I got my door, I'm going to start framing that in hopefully in the next week or two. Keep them out of here permanently.
Like a good baby.
Roxy, are you having fun?
Good girl. Oh, licking my toes, Proxy. I don't like that.
Licking your toes? She's like, help. So much fur, so much fur. Roxy, you're leaving a trail everywhere you go.
That pile of fur right there, there's about 3 of them that size that we got off her already
Today?
today alone, yeah. That's a lot of fur. That is a lot of fur.
Windier as frig day, but yeah. Got to take out the old weed whacker here. Has been sitting since last year. I only used it I think twice last year. Just filled her up with some aspen fuel. Yeah, I usually run this in my chainsaws, but right now I don't have a chainsaw worth spending it in. Or running it in, I should say. But just filled the tank up with that stuff there. I'm going to do some weed whacking, and then I got a rotor tiller attachment that's about 15 years old that I'm hoping is going to fit. Because I got some rotor tilling to do, but how many poles to start up this year? I guess we'll find out.
Okay. Hey, where's the microphone on your...
It's on this side right here, and it's recording, so...
Okay.
Again, you'll have to stand up on the deck. Don't stand too close to this thing. The string's going to need to be cut. Okay. Let's see how many million poles it's going to take. It was right out of fuel, so I gotta... 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have a throttle lock, I can't remember. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna have to give it some throttles.
put on a rototiller attachment if it fits, and see what happens. You can turn it off for now. My poor onions, they all went to seed. All my onions. There's lots of nice flowers.
It's right there. Look behind you.
Why is there toilet paper right there in the bush?
I think that's a bag.
You're probably right. Yeah, so these here, some of them are growing in her pen, and onions are toxic to dogs, so we'll have to... What did you do?
I mashed them up and I made them delicious. Here, try.
No, that's okay. I'll pass. No, thank you.
I just put a bunch of sugar in it.
That's
No,
what I was...
I only put a little pinch of sugar and a few drops of lime, and it's very beautiful.
Butterfly? I think the wind's kind of catching him. He's like, I'm gone. That's a biggie.
Yeah.
And they put a few drops of lime, and it's yummy.
Yeah, that is weird how they're growing in circles. That right there, over there, there's a few of them. Huh. Very strange. So the idea is to weed whack around here, then take the garden tiller and till up this all so it's all loose, and hopefully stop the wood ticks from crossing, because Proxy, it's almost impossible to find wood ticks on that dog. So yeah, and then a little bit of weeding today, pull some weeds, and I just tried out the tiller quickly over between those trees. Seems to work pretty decent. It's freaking heavy. I wish I had a strap for this weed whacker, but well, I'm gonna start by mowing down those onions, because they're all gone to seed. Do you want to hold this for a while, or?
Yep.
Okay. Bye bye onions. Bye bye onions. Okay, so giving this thing a try here. It seems to work pretty good. The reason I'm doing this is to kill all the grass in here. Have to rake it after to try to get rid of anything that's... I should have raked it actually before, technically. I don't know if I should.
Yeah, I'll rake it for you.
Yeah, maybe we'll do that.
Oh, yeah.
Give it a rake here first.
The corner of the dog run.
Okay, so just gave it a quick rake, get rid of some of the stuff, and show you guys how much power it has with that about 10-year-old rototiller attachment. It's pretty decent. Okay. I have the energy to do this. It's kind of heavy. That much throttle, kind of overkill. pushing. I seen that rock. I was just, you know, seeing if it was going to get stuck in it. Looks like it did. Yep, got stuck underneath it. Now, because this is gear drive, how do I get that out? Probably have to pull this pin out. Or if I just release it. Yeah, because it's a worm gear. Okay, turn off the video. I'll have to figure out how to get that rock out. Probably a stick.
Nice job.
Yeah. Hey, Proxy, how do you like your new pen? Is it cleanish? You can't eat that glove, you know. 1 tank of gas. I did the weed whacking that I needed to around. I rotor tilled all this. I think she's happy. What, Proxy? You happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? It doesn't smell like goat poop no more? Doesn't smell like goat poop anymore, Proxy? Smells better? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that should keep the wood ticks away. I'll show what I did over here. I never bothered too much on this side. It's pretty far away. Took the weed whacker, but then I just took the loader and scraped it. It'll help. Yeah, I know. I know, you want out, I know. I just tilled it up, Proxy. It doesn't need tilling anymore. It doesn't need tilling anymore, Proxy. Really? I just noticed this. My face, really? Oh, you want to play, don't you?
Crazy.
Yeah, she'll get some energy out in there. Yeah, is it clean? Are you upset? I just saw your dog poops out of there. It doesn't smell like you anymore? Yeah. I know. It doesn't smell like you anymore in there. I just roller tilled it up. Hey, those aren't your gloves. No, Proxy. No. Hey, those strawberry plants. Do I gotta cut those too? Are you gonna eat those too? What about that onion? I should take that out of there. He will go right here. New spot for the onion. Well, early Monday morning, and didn't get done anywhere near what I planned to do, but yeah, took down that bird nest that was up there, just left it on the ground. Maybe it'll steal some materials from it, but yeah, a little bit more weed whacking to do. I got to build my shed. As you can see, I got stuff all over the yard right now, just waiting to go in the shed. And all the scraps of wood here, but pain in the butt. But maybe I'll start working on that maybe next month. Hard to say. Oh yeah, bringing back a thing of wire needed around my dad's house to keep Proxy from playing around in the Monty pile, quite literally.